How to fix Gmail not receiving emails on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then apps again, and here you will find all your installed apps. Now just type here Gmail and click on it, and here click force stop and then click storage, clear cache. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, all you need to do just click these three lines here and now scroll down, click settings, and here you will find add account. Click add account and then click Google, and now just wait, and here type your Gmail and then click next and type the password and after that your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.